I am a chiropractor and an acupuncturist. I got into it because I kind of thought it was cool. I was surprised how well I did when I was under care, and I was really intrigued how they fix things without drugs or medicine or surgeries. The main thing we're seeing is neck pain, back pain, migraines, those sorts of conditions. Sciatica. We do end up seeing a lot of various things that are kind of connected to that. Sometimes people come in with back pain and they have hip or knee pain that's associated with that, and we will try to treat that too in the same time. The biggest thing we try to get going on the first visit is a therapeutic alliance, right? Open communications and trust between us. And then we try to sit down and try to come up with a game plan together. After an evaluation, we figure out what the patient's comfortable with, and we generally start easy and kind of build a way up if we need to. When we see them, we do a baseline assessment and some evaluations so we kind of know where they're starting. We have a plan and then we'll reassess, and then some patients are good and they're good to go. Sometimes we see them a little bit prolonged and kind of keep track of them as they go. The cool thing about my job is I have a couple different modalities I can use, and I can use whatever the patient's comfortable with. Most of the time, they don't have experience with acupuncture and they're kind of curious about it. So a lot of times we'll do a trial and see how they do with it. They're trying to avoid surgery or pills and injections if they can. Which sometimes we see patients and those routes are necessary, but a lot of times we can surprise patients with giving our treatment and then giving them things to do at home, whether it's exercises, stretches, different therapies that they can do to improve themselves. They're curious about our treatments, and the best thing they can do is give it a try. When we're seeing patients, we try to treat them like family. We try to have a good rapport with them. We talk about personal things. We joke around quite a bit. But yeah, it's nice to have that communication with them.